Hey guys, it's Kayla and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you a hair tutorial. I know I haven't been here in a minute. I know I said at the beginning of the year I was going to do 2 videos a month, but life happens. But here I am giving you a video, a tutorial. So I asked people on my Instagram what they wanted, a makeup video or a hair video. People said they wanted a hair video. So I was like, okay. If you're not following me on Instagram, follow me at KAI.AUSTYN, AUSTYN. But anyways, today I'm going to be showing you all how I got this look. This is a braid and curl. So basically, you know, I'm not even going to go into the logistics of it because you're going to see what it is. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, go ahead and keep watching. So I'm going to be starting with freshly washed hair. My hair is probably in the bun for like a day or a day. I had like that little 3-minute mask on. Yeah, it wasn't 3 minutes though. I had it on for about 24 hours. So this is what my hair looks like with no product on it. Okay. And typically, I'm a middle part person when I wear like natural styles. So hopefully this looks right. I used to do braid outs like when I was first transitioning, and I really didn't have no curl pattern. So I haven't done a braid out in about 4 years. I'm just gonna be honest with you. So we're just gonna see how this turns out. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and make my part. Okay, now that my part is all sectioned out, I just like to take my hair and tie them up into sections. It's just easier for me to do it like that. But first I'm going to get how much I'm going to need for my middle section. I always just like to take that out. I just like to do a middle section because I feel like, you know, if you just do 4 on this side, 4 on this side, which is what I'm going to do, you kind of get that part in the middle that is not really like cute. So yeah, like I said, my hair was just washed or whatever, but I'm going to go in with my water bottle and still make it a little bit more damp because I think my products just take better when my hair is like really wet. So that's what I'm going to do. Conditioner that I'm going to be using today is this Shea Moisture Manuka Honey conditioner. Yeah, when I tell you this conditioner smells so good, it smells amazing and it makes your hair soft. So check it out. Buy it from Walmart though, because honey, the beauty supply store, they be trying to hit you off the head with the price. I'll tell you that much. But I'm just gonna go ahead and work this all the way through my hair. I'm just gonna take this big old comb right here to detangle. Alright, so this is going to be section numero uno. Because it is the front of my head, I do want this to kind of be smooth, so I'm going to take this dimming brush and just slick that down real quick. Okay. And then the styling gel that I'm going to be using today is the Yale Organics honey and ginger style. That much you can see. And then I'm just gonna work that all the way through my hair, honey. Just all the way. It's time to plait. Just take 3 sections. 1, 2, 3. What is this? That's nasty. 1, 2, 3. You wanna make sure that they're kind of even, and then just go ahead and start plaiting. For this style, I'm using perm rods. So typically you can plait it or braid it however far down you want it to go until you want the rod curl to come in. So I'm braiding it to about here. That much is left. I'm going to use my dimming brush, smooth it out, take a little bit more of that styling gel, put it on the ends, And then I'm using this color. I guess it's like the peach color. I don't know. They might come in. Anyway, yeah, might come in different colors depending on your beauty spot store. I don't want to take it and then just put it on there. And bam. Alright, so this is what it looks like now that I've done them all. So now we wait. Honestly, there's nothing left to do. It's what time? 6 o'clock. I'll probably take these out tomorrow. So I'm not going to sit under a dryer or anything. I'm just going to let them air dry. And then tonight I'm going to put a button on it. And I'll be back in the morning. Okay? Alright guys, so it is now the next day. And I am ready to unravel these braids and take out these perm rods and just keep my fingers crossed that this turns out right, okay? So to unravel them, I'm going to use this Love Oil by Sexy Hair. Yeah, I love this stuff. It smells so good. And then I'm also going to use this Africa's Best Ultimate Herbal Oil, y'all. This stuff right here. This stuff right here. I use it on my hair. I use it on my body. Get you some. It's like $1, $2 at the most, okay? If y'all hear something like in the back, it's Leo. He's tearing up my shoes. So, yeah. But let's go ahead. I'm going to just pour some in my hand. And just take a squirt. And just rub my hands together. And I'm going to start by taking off the rollers. Okay, not too shabby. Alright, so this is where we are. My hands are still pretty, greased up, so I'm going to go ahead and unravel the braid. Okay, so this is how we're looking with it all taken down. I haven't gone through and separated it or anything, but let me see. Not too shabby. Okay, it's looking a little cute. It's not my typical, curl pattern. This is the twist out queen right here. Like twist outs, do them quick and I get it done. But yeah, I'm just going to, hand's still a little oily, but oil them again because I don't want no frizz, and go in and kind of just separate a little bit. So I didn't separate too much because I did have a few pieces on this side that were still just a little bit damp. So if you're gonna wear it overnight, I suggest you just kind of take a blow dryer in the morning and just kind of make sure they're dry. But you know, nonetheless, it's still, you know, it's still looking how it's looking. So I'm gonna take this big wide tooth comb and kind of fluff up my roots or whatever so I can get some volume. So this is what I'm looking like right now. Cute, I must say. You know, braid out or braid and curl, not too bad. Let me go ahead and do my edges. So I'm going to use the Style Factor edge control. This is that stuff, okay? All right, beautiful people. So the edges are swirled, honey. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So overall, from what I can see right now, I'm not even gonna lie, I kind of like this little braid and curl. It's definitely it's definitely something different from my usual, you know, just twist out or whatever. But if you're going for like a different curl pattern look, you want to kind of switch it up a bit, I would definitely say try out the little braid and curl. You know, just plait it up, put the permers at the end, and keep it moving, okay? So as always, guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below in the comment section, and I will see you guys in my next video, okay?